Bangladesh will open new inland waterway.
India and Bangladesh will open new inland waterway from September 3, 2020. This is based on the agreement signed by the countries in May 2020 on inland water transit and trade. The number of IBP, Indo-Bangladesh Protocol, routes were increased from 8 to 10. India's northeast is a prisoner of geography. Being landlocked by ring-fenced neighbors such as China, Bangladesh, Bhutan, and Myanmar, its land-based connection with India is narrow. This connection is the 22-kilometer Siliguri corridor. It is also called the Chicken's Neck. Thus, India is planning to open networks of transport, trade and other lifelines through which goods, progress and prosperity can flow. India is also expanding its Act East policy, putting the Northeast at the front. This means that the trade and investment agreements signed with ASEAN and other East Asian countries will be based on needs and requirements of the Northeast. Basically, India boosted the Look East policy that focused only on economic activities with Act East policy. The was done to focus on security and counter-terrorism. By this, India intends to arrest insurgency and counter-terrorism in the Northeast region with the help of the ASEAN countries. India to use Bangladesh rivers to unlock the Northeast. Several agreements have been signed between India and Bangladesh to unlock the North. Also, several connectivity projects have been launched. They are as follows. Indo-Bangladesh Protocol, IBP, route connects National Waterway I with NW2 and NW16 via Bangladesh. The Gangetic network that extends between Kolkata and Narayanganj port is to be extended to reach Shilbhat of Assam. This is the major route of India-Bangladesh trade. Around 227 crore rupees have been allocated to this project. Another project under which Kolkata is to be connected with Karimganj, again through Bangladesh. This is to be completed by 2021. Around 96 crores have been allocated to this project.
थैंक यू गाइज। आपको वीडियो कैसा लगा मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइएगा और ऐसे ही रेगुलर अपडेट्स के लिए हमारे चैनल को विजिट करते रहिए। साथ ही साथ इंडियन पॉलिटी, हिस्ट्री और इंडियन ज्योग्राफी के लेक्चर्स को देखने के लिए इस चैनल को विजिट करते रहिए। इसके साथ ही हमने रिसेंटली इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग के लिए BBC कोर्स को लॉन्च किया है, जिसकी प्राइस सिर्फ और सिर्फ 1200 है। तो 3-4 महीनों के अंदर ही आप प्रोफाउंड प्रोफेशनल की तरह इंग्लिश बोल सकेंगे, जहां पर आपको BBC सर्टिफिकेशन मिलेगा। साथ ही साथ हमारे जो फैकल्टी है ही इज के श्रीकांत, जो कि इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम के फॉर्मर कैप्टन है। तो एक प्रोफेशनल के द्वारा इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए तुरंत ही इस चैनल को विजिट करिए। साथ ही साथ डिटेल्स भी प्रोवाइड करिए और आप हमें कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं @leonite.in। Thank you guys, God bless you, I really appreciate your time.